This vegan Earl Grey milk tea jelly is smooth, lightly creamy, and infused with the fragrant citrus notes of Earl Grey tea. Earl Grey is traditionally flavored with the essential oil of bergamot orange, but for this recipe I used a regular orange to enhance the citrus flavor since it is more readily available. The result is a refreshing dessert with the perfect balance of creamy soy milk and bright citrus notes, making it ideal for warm summer days. You can prepare it in one large bowl for sharing, or portion it into individual dessert cups for an elegant presentation. Either way, it is sure to disappear quickly. Give it a try!
Hey guys, welcome to Kitchen Porcupine. Today I'm gonna show you how to make vegan Earl Grey milk tea jelly.
In a medium saucepan, whisk together the agar powder and sugar until thoroughly combined. This helps disperse the agar and prevents clumping later when water is added. Add the water and whisk well. Place the saucepan over medium heat and stir continuously until the mixture comes to a gentle boil. Once boiling, continue to boil for 2 minutes, stirring frequently. Agar must be fully boiled to activate its gelling properties. Add the Earl Grey tea bags and remove the saucepan from the heat. Cover and allow the tea to steep for 5 minutes. If you prefer a stronger tea taste, add a few extra tea bags and steep for a few minutes longer. Warm the soy milk separately until hot, but not boiling, about 60 to 70 degrees Celsius, or 140 degrees to 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Gradually add the warm soy milk to the tea mixture while stirring gently. Using warm soy milk helps prevent the agar from setting prematurely. Strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve, pressing the tea bags gently to extract as much flavor as possible. Pour the mixture into serving glasses. Agar begins to set as it cools below approximately 35 to 45 degrees Celsius or 95 to 113 degrees Fahrenheit, so make sure to warm up the soy milk to 45 degrees Celsius or 113 degrees Fahrenheit or above. Otherwise, the jelly base may start settling before it's completely combined and uniform. Allow it to cool slightly at room temperature, then refrigerate for at least 1 to 2 hours or until fully set. In a small pitcher, combine soy milk and sugar until the sugar is dissolved completely. Take out the chilled jelly from the refrigerator. Carefully pour the sweet soy milk on top of the jelly. Zest an orange and sprinkle on top of the sweet soy milk. Earl Grey tea is a black tea flavored with essential oil extracted from the rind of the bergamot orange. However, I used a regular orange, which is more accessible this time, to enhance the citrusy flavor. You can also top the jelly with whipped coconut cream instead of soy milk for a richer texture. I hope you enjoy making this delicious vegan Earl Grey milk tea jelly or londonfog jelly and sharing it with someone you love. For the detailed recipe, check out my website at kitchenporcupine.com. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys again soon.